Today's consonant blend is PL. And remember, a consonant blend are 2 or 3 consonants that each say their own sound, and we blend them together. So what does P say? P. P. One more time. P. And what does L say? L. Again. L. One more time. L. And if we tap and stretch them, we would pl. Do it again. Pl. Good. Let's see what we can do in the way of making a word. All right, let's tap and stretch. Plan. Tap and stretch out the sounds again. Plan. Good. Say it fast like a word. Plan. Say it fast again. Plan. Good job. That is the word plan. You need to have a plan if you're going to get it done. Okay, let's make a new word. Pled. Tap and stretch. Pled. Pled. So when we say the word pled, we mean somebody might have pled guilty to a charge, or maybe they pled innocent, right? Let's tap and stretch a new word. Plot. Tap and stretch. Plot. Let's say it fast like a word. Plot. Say it fast again. Plot. Yes. Plot could be a plot of land, or it could be that you were plotting out an activity or a strategy or a plan. All right, let's do another one. Ready? Let's tap and stretch this new word. Plop. Let's tap and stretch. Plop. Let's say it fast. Plop. Say it fast again. Plop. Yeah, plop. Don't plop on the couch like that. You'll break it. Let's read a new word. Ready to tap and stretch? Plug. Do it again. Plug. Say it fast like a word. Plug. Say it fast. Plug. Right, that's the word plug, like plug in the light or plug in your computer or your phone. One more word. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch it. Plum. Tap and stretch again. Plum. Good. Now say it fast. Plum. Say it fast again. Plum. Right. That's the word plum. I love plums. It's my favorite fruit. That was great. Our consonant blend, PL. Good work.